Hello everybody, what is up? So, I hope I'm not too shiny in this video. Anyway, okay, so I got a comment on my most recent video about how to quickly create a, excuse my bed and all my craziness that I'm a mess in this back there. Anyway, about how to create a quick circle skirt pattern or whatever. The comment was from HalfLeft Dawn. I wanted to make just a little video response. Once again, in order to try to keep forcing myself to produce more videos and do more little quick things and just get it done. Anyway, so HalfLeft Dawn says, I've never seen anyone slash spread for a circle skirt. I watched the whole video, but I still don't understand why someone would prefer this technique. Is it because of the circumference math? Thanks. And then she said, P.S. I love all your videos. Keep them coming. You're a fantastic teacher. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Basically, yes. If you don't have like the fashion design book that I have, it's called like Pattern Making for Fashion Design. I think I have the 3rd edition. If you don't have that book, or some other way to get the circumference math that you need, like, just a circle is hard enough to come up with, first of all, but it's not just the outside edge that you have to come up with, which if you just went from a point out however many inches you need the skirt to be, if that was it, then that would be incredibly easy to do, you know. But you also have to find out how big the inner circle is supposed to be. And at least from what I'm just off the top of my head, I haven't really done a whole lot of research on different techniques to do this, but there's no way that I can think of that would automatically tell you how many inches to go down from the point, the original point, you know, just the basic corner of a piece of paper, you know, just like say this corner here. There's nothing that I can think of that would automatically just tell you how far down on your tape measure you would need to go. It's like my eyelash is trying to kill my eyeball. Anyway, there's nothing that I can think of that would tell you how far down you need to go in order to get the correct radius or the correct inner circumference for where the circle skirt is going to attach. So the easiest thing I could think of would just be to start with a rectangle, use the slash and spread technique, and then we have to come up with, well, how do you make sure that it's touching the edges correctly? And really just by kind of doing it, you could see that it worked out. So, but yeah, hopefully, like, I want somebody to try the technique and tell me if it works out for them. It should. And really, it was quick. That was the other thing. Yeah, you can go by the book if you have all of that. And that would be quick as well, but then you also have to find a tape measure that you don't want to keep because you have to put holes in the tape measure as well. And then you just have to, you have a tape measure that you only use for circle skirts, and that's fine if you got that. But at least if you only have like the very basic materials and you got your yardstick or whatever, and you know how long you want your skirt to be, and you know how long or wide you need it to be for where it's going to attach. If that's all you know, then that's enough information to get a skirt done, you know, in a circle skirt, you know, and it's really, really cute. And I'm going to still make a video of what a finished circle skirt looks like that I'm making from that technique. So, but anyway, yeah, and like I said, it's a quick technique because really in the course of the video that I was making, like, it only took me a couple minutes to actually go through and actually do it, you know. I got it done really, really, really quickly. All the little cuts and edits that you see in the video, it's, sorry, I'm trying to give y'all different backgrounds and stuff too, because I don't do that a lot in my previous videos, so I'm trying to do all this different stuff. Anyway, but yeah, so all the different cuts and edits you see in the video, like, it was only like maybe a few, like 30 seconds gap here just because I needed to put the camera on a tripod or whatever. So the gaps weren't very long, you know. And so what you see for the actual timing on the video is actually how long it took me, you know, give or take like an extra minute or two. How long it actually took me to make the pattern for it. And yeah, it was a small pattern, but if all you need is just a bigger piece of paper or bigger couple pieces of paper, then it really wouldn't take someone that long, especially let's say if you're in a rush to make a circle skirt, but you don't have a pattern and all you have is just the waist measurement for somebody and you need to make a circle skirt. Then all you need after that is just to know how long the skirt needs to be. You need to know your seam allowance, you need to know your hem, you need to know how many seams you're trying to do, and really that's it. And you can make a circle skirt really quickly and be done, you know. So that's basically what I was making it for, just so someone would have another technique, if not a quicker technique, that doesn't require quite as many prep steps, because using the, what's it called? Using the technique with the tape measure, like I said, you got to have a tape measure that you don't want. And I don't want to assume that everybody has like 4, 5, and 6 tape measures like we do at, you know, my place. So anyway, that's about it. I just wanted to make a quick video, you know, as a response instead of just making a comment, because this is a simple one to answer. So anyway, hopefully y'all got some interesting stuff out of that. Please leave more comments. Let's keep the conversation going if you have more questions. And I'll continue to try to make these little quick videos, okay? Thank you very much for watching, and thank you HalfLeft Dawn for the amazingly amazing comment that gave me another reason to make a video. So thank y'all.